Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little flower using the mini Bowdabra. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half and cut it so that I have a piece long enough that I can lay it into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath. Then what I'm going to do is take my burlap, this is a 2.5 inch wide ribbon, and I've actually cut a point on the ends, so these will be like our leaves. And we're going to just take this and put this in here, and then take our eucalyptus silk flowers and just lay those in here. And then I have my daffodil wired ribbon, and we've actually cut a circle on the ends. Now, depending on what kind of flower you want to make, you can cut your leaves however you want. So if it were Christmas time and you wanted to make a poinsettia, then you just cut a point on your leaves, and it makes, on your petals, and it makes a really pretty flower. And now I'm going to take my little piece of mesh and just scrunch that down in here. Take my wand to give everything a good push. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire to pull it through the slip knot. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Then I'm going to just separate the ends, bring it around to the back. I'm going to tie it off and tie a knot. And then what I'm going to do is bring up my leaves. So we form the flower and bring this out, kind of bring my things, and we'll just keep forming. This is why I like to have a wired ribbon for the flower, because it lets me shape it a little easier. And now you have this really pretty flower that you can use on a centerpiece or even for a hair bow. Thanks so much for watching.